Friends, welcome to my YouTube video myhealth2021.com. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and press the bell icon in order to get the latest notification from our side. So friends, we are going to learn Sujok therapy today. This is very first part about the introduction of the therapy. Subsequent part will be released which contains actual treatment for the various common diseases in the patients. Friends, I have been practicing Sujok from last 7 years on various peoples with different disease. I organize various free Sujok consultation camp till date where I have come across thousands of the patients. Most of the patients got the positive results of the therapy and patients are very much thankful for this amazing and scientifically proven therapy. Friends, Sujok is purely drug-less therapy which can be learned by any age group peoples and any lean man can learn the Sujok. So this is the dream of Professor Park Jae-woo, who has invented this therapy just before the 50 years, that in every family there must be one Sujok therapist to treat the various common diseases. So Sujok is being practiced nearly in 55 countries such as Korea, Russia, India, USA, Europe, Australia, South America and in far eastern countries. Sujok has been particularities of diagnosis, preventive and curative medicine. During terrible nuclear accident in Russia, WHO found that Sujok therapists working on radioactive burn patients. They gave very miraculous results to the patient. This had been a very positive influence on the attitude of WHO regarding Sujok. Friends, unknowingly we are touching our heads when we have headache. So unknowingly we are doing the pressure point therapy. If we have pain in leg, we touch our legs. Friends, what is this? Most of the people will say that this is fish. This is not the fish, but this is the replica or the picture of fish. Similarly, I would like to ask, what is this? So most of the people will answer that this is hand. So friends, according to Sujok, this is not the hand, this is the replica of our entire body. We are going to learn it how. So with the help of Jimmy, Sujok therapists find out the various painful points on your hands and foot, and with the help of this massages your various painful points. After treating with the patients with the Jimmy or finding out the various painful point, a simple massage is done for the various painful point in order to release the pain at different body parts. So Sujok therapy is one of the type of acupressure therapy. Sujok is Korean word where Su means hand and Jok means feet. Here we provide the therapy on particular points of hands and feet which are most of the painful point. So this therapy is invented by Professor Park Jae-woo before 50 years. This therapy is based on law of similarity and this therapy is mainly work on energy of the body. So Professor strongly believe that God has provided your health remote control along with you while you were birth. See our hands. If this thumb is at this position, this entirely will be your body, right? So by considering the law of similarity, this thumb acts as your head. So as you see, your head is having two bends or two joints. So here are the two joints, 1 and 2, right? So if you have any problem in the head, you can treat the thumb. You can find out the various painful point and you can treat that painful point here with the help of various types of Sujok therapy treatment methods. Friends, as per the law of similarity, these are two, we can consider these are two hands, like that. These are two hands and these are two middle fingers. We can call it as legs as per the Sujok therapy is concerned. So friends, as you are aware, our hands are having 3 joints, 1, 2, 3, like that. There are 3 joints, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, like that. This is all depending on the similarity law. So whenever you have the pain in the hand, you can treat these fingers. If this is the left hand, this is the right hand, this is the right leg and this is left leg, like that. You can treat the entire diseases depending on the part you have a pain or you have the disease. So this is your front part. If you have any abdominal pain, you can treat here, and this is your back part. If you have any pain in the back, you have to treat here. This therapy is so simple and gives amazing result with a very short period of time. So there are various types of Sujok therapy based on the line of treatment. First type of Sujok therapy is seed therapy. So with the help of seed, the patient are going to treat with the help of seed. So these seeds are tied to the painful point with the help of this tape. So the concept behind the seed therapy is that the seed is having this tiny seed is having the lots of energy, and this seed exchanges the energy with your body, and you will feel fresh or you will feel disease free within 1 or 2 days with the help of Sujok therapy in most of the cases. Second part is the color therapy. With the help of color at the particular points, the Sujok therapists made this dot with the help of color and treat the disease of the patient, and this is also acts like a very wonderful therapy. Next therapy is the acupressure therapy. In this therapy, the acupuncture needles are used. So this is the needle which is used for the acupuncture. So this is very tiny needle. We put this needle or we puncture the points where we have the maximum pain. Friends, next therapy part of the Sujok is treatment with the magnetic therapy. So these are the very tiny magnets. These magnets are used. This is the bar magnet which is having south and north pole. So with the help of this magnet, people are going to treat by tying this magnet with the help of Sujok therapy tape. So next treatment is line of treatment is nail therapy, where treatment is given around the nail and on the nail to treat the various disease of the patient. Next therapy is moxa therapy, where moxa is provided on the various points. The moxa is nothing but this is the candle which is burned with the help of the matchsticks, and the points which are very painful, moxa is given to these painful points, and patient will feel relief from the disease with the help of moxa therapy. So this, friends, this is very basic information of the Sujok therapy. Hope you understand it very well. If you have any doubt, you can comment me below. You can send request with your details to join free Sujok therapy consultation WhatsApp group on 9822238383. So in Maharashtra, we have the treatment center at Jatarpet, Akola, Gorakshan Road, Akola, and Vidarbha Vaibhav Mandir Trust, Dadar West. You can contact us on www.pharmacyhealth.com as well as you can email me at ashishkandalkar1@gmail.com. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I again request, if you like the video, please share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notification from our